one? Alright, cool. Let me just eat my food fast, dog. Woke up hungry. Fucking haven't ate for a while. Know what I mean? This fucking good shit, man. Fuck, I don't know what it is, but hell yeah, dog, you made some good shit, man. I say, I'm from howling back, girl, but you've been through the stressful right now. And I'm eating my supper right now, cause I'm at the last supper. Girl, you all know me, and I'm all-star. Yeah, I wear my tie every time I go out, cause I wanna make an impression on you. But I don't know how to do it, girl. I'm just sitting on my bench right now, cause I'm on timeout, girl. I had too many relationships. Man, I can't think right now, my head's up spinning like a feeling sand. Every time I'm blowing, my words keep to seem right. But I'm in this time and I'm all about my stacks, girl. Stacking them monies at McDonald's. Every day making Krabby Patties like I got some buns to throw out to the people. And I'm on my high horse and I'm still rocking them jeans. Got my Adidas on, now I'm ready to start the game, girl. Play any card, you go out on the field, I'll be sweeping it like a carabao. And I'm all about my stacks, girl, you know what's up. They call me A-Drizzy, yeah, that's what it stands for. On my hat, repping my city, LC. All day long, getting stopped by the police. But no shit cars, and I'm all about that. Smoking my joint, passing it at the light. Just like basketball, with me my friend. Play rotation like basketball. Pop, pop, tap. And we all about them stacks, girl, you know I'm all stacked, girl. I'm higher than that, I'm a king. You must bow, cause I'ma bow down on you, girl, like I ever do everything. Still thinking up here, why the fuck did I date you? Shit. I've been to hell and back, girl, with you. Every time I'm on the phone, you're talking to another dude, just straight up off the block that you just barely met. And we all on this relationship, girl, and I can't keep going, cause I go hell and back, and you up in this same situation. You tell me to give you a chance, but I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm sick of that shit that you say to all your friends about me, saying that I was the one, but you fucked it up. Now I'm undone, and I can't make myself go back to you, cause all of your stressful life. Yeah, and I'm howling back, and I can't make this fall without being written you. Girl, I'm in my mind, it's like a game. I can't get out, it's like a vision that I'm burning. I'm drunk as fuck, faded last night. Can't take a sip of that Ciroc thinking about you. Oh my god, girl, you're so fine. Man, this skirt you wear, trying to imitate me, but don't do that shit, cause I've been to hell and back, girl, just to get you. And I know I want to, and I wanna be with you, but I can't do it. I'm myself, it's forcing me with the top. Now I'm on this grind, girl, howling back, don't know what to do but to sustain this moment. And I can't stop thinking, but I'm gonna eat some cereal right now, cause I'm fucking hungry, you know. I'm all about this spaghetti-o. Thanks for listening.